Battery testing is a good way to learn about the battery's condition. But what does a test result mean? In this video, we'll talk about replace battery. So, now what? Well, first let's remove the battery from the car and replace it with a similar battery. Similar not only in size, but also battery type. Why, you may ask? Well, your car has specific needs when it comes to energy supply. A too big a battery may not fit in the car's battery location. Yikes! And too small a battery means your car might not be fully supported. Or not start at all. Battery types are not interchangeable either. Stop-start vehicles can run for years on an AGM battery, but kill a regular battery in just months. You can retrieve the necessary battery data from the car manufacturer or in the online databases of larger battery brands. Always check battery size, power and type to make sure your battery replacement is a success. Midtronics, advancing battery management.